Teach Yourself books and audio recordings are protected by copyright. Reproduction of any Teach Yourself components is strictly prohibited without the express written authorization of the publisher.
Welcome to the world of Teach Yourself. More than 30 million copies of Teach Yourself have been used successfully throughout the world. Teach Yourself language courses represent the single most successful and widely respected language series in the world today. The series has been created by noted language experts with the express aim of helping you develop your ability to communicate easily and effectively in the language of your choice. Each Teach Yourself language course consists of a practical handbook as well as audio recordings. The handbook has everything you need to learn a language thoroughly. It provides you with complete grammar explanations, pronunciation guides, varied exercises, dialogues, and extensive cultural information. The audio recordings offer a rich array of conversations recorded by native speakers, pronunciation practice, and exercises that will further develop your speaking and listening abilities. Used together, the handbook and audio recordings provide you everything you need to develop practical speaking proficiency, as well as an understanding of the cultures where the language is spoken. To make the most of your learning experience, remember these practical tips. Take your time. Go at your own pace. And master each chapter before going on to the next. And now it's your turn. Welcome to the world of Teach Yourself.
Let's go straight into the part of Cantonese which seems most strange to English speakers. The fact that it is a sung language. Every single syllable you hear in Cantonese is sung in one or other of the 7 tones. Listen carefully. High level tone.
Ma.
High falling tone.
Ma.
Mid rising tone.
Ma.
Mid level tone.
Ma.
Low falling tone.
Ma.
Low rising tone.
Ma.
Low level tone.
Ma.
And again.
Ma. 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 Ma.
Now, repeat the sounds after the speaker, trying to speak in as relaxed a way as you can. There's no need to strain your voice to achieve exactly the same note as the speaker, but you should try to get the same amount of distinction between the tones as the speaker does, even if your voice register is higher or lower than hers.
Ma. 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 Ma.
Now, listen to the 3 level tones spoken in the order high level, mid-level, low level.
Ma. Ma. Ma.
And again.
Ma. Ma. Ma.
You should be able to hear the 3 different pitches quite clearly. Try to repeat the 3 level tones after the speaker, first one at a time, and then all 3 together.
Ma. 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 Ma.
That's all there is to tones. They aren't really so difficult. Just to test you, though, here are some 2-syllable words spoken slowly and clearly. Try to write down what the tone on each of the syllables is. There's no hurry. Press the pause button between the words if you want time to think.
客氣 食飯 好食 幫手 隨便 唔使 鐘頭 伙記 龍蝦 客氣
is mid-level, mid-level.
客氣。食飯
is low-level, low-level.
食飯。好食
is mid-rising, low-level.
好食。幫手
is high-falling, mid-rising.
幫手。隨便
is low-falling, mid-rising.
隨便。唔使
is low-falling, mid-rising.
唔使。鐘頭
is high-level, low-falling.
鐘頭。伙計
is mid-rising, mid-level.
伙計。龍蝦
is low-falling, high-level.
龍蝦。
Your ear takes time to adjust to these new sounds, so don't feel depressed if you've not got them all right. Listen to them several times until you can convince yourself that you are hearing what we say you should be hearing. You will get plenty more practice when you tackle the dialogues. Now, let's move on to units. Unit 1, Encounters. Dialogue 1. Mr. Wong and his boss, Miss Jiang, meet in the lift on the way up to the office.
早晨，黃先生。
早晨，張小姐，你好嗎？
我好好。你呢？
好好。
你太太呢？
佢都好，有心。
And now, at more normal speed.
早晨，黃先生。
早晨，張小姐，你好嗎？
我好好。你呢？
好好。
你太太呢？
佢都好，有心。
Vocabulary list for Unit 1, Dialogue 1. For the first few dialogues, we will read the list of new words so that you have a chance to repeat them and practice the sounds in isolation.
早晨。黃先生。張小姐，你好嗎？我呢？太太，佢都有心。
Unit 1, Dialogue 2. When she gets to the office, Miss Jiang is surprised to find a visitor waiting for her.
哦，對唔住，貴姓啊？
我姓何，你係李小姐嗎？
唔係，我姓張。何先生，你係唔係美國人啊？
唔係，我係英國人。我賣美國車，美國車好靚，你要唔要啊？
唔要，唔要，美國車好貴，我要日本車。再見，何先生。
你唔要，李小姐要唔要啊？
李小姐都唔要。再見，再見。
And now, at more normal speed.
哦，對唔住，貴姓啊？
我姓何，你係李小姐嗎？
唔係，我姓張。何先生，你係唔係美國人啊？
唔係， 我係英國人，我賣美國車，美國車好靚，你要唔要啊？
唔要唔要，美國車好貴，我要日本車。再見，何先生。
你唔要，李小姐要唔要啊？
李小姐都唔要。再見，再見。
Here is the vocabulary for Dialogue 2.
哦，對唔住，貴姓啊？姓何，係你美國人，美國人啊，英國人，英國賣車靚要貴，日本人，日本再見。
Unit 2, Personal Property. Dialogue 1. Mr. Ho is working in his office when a woman comes in.
太太，你揾邊個啊？
我揾黃國美先生，佢係中國人，係我嘅朋友。
你揾黃先生有乜嘢事啊？
我要賣我嘅美國車，黃先生想買。
好，我帶你去黃先生嘅寫字樓。
唔該你。
And now, at more normal speed.
太太，你揾邊個啊？
我揾黃國美先生，佢係中國人，係我嘅朋友。
你揾黃先生有乜嘢事啊？
我要賣我嘅美國車，黃先生想買。
好，我帶你去黃先生嘅寫字樓。
唔該你。
Here is the new vocabulary.
揾邊個？中國嘅，我嘅朋友有乜嘢事？有乜嘢事啊？想買帶去寫字樓。唔該，唔該你。
Unit 2, True or False. Try to understand every syllable of these 4 sentences. If you have understood the dialogue, you should be able to pass judgment on the following statements about it.
黃國美先生想買車。黃國美先生想買車。
False.
黃先生想買日本車。黃先生想買日本車。
False.
何先生、黃先生，佢哋係朋友。何先生、黃先生，佢哋係朋友。
True.
黃太太揾黃先生。黃太太揾黃先生。
False. Unit 2, Dialogue 2. Miss Jung has found a watch and a pen on her desk. She asks Mr. Ho if they're his.
一個手錶，一支筆。何先生，呢個手錶同埋呢支筆係咪你㗎？
呢個手錶唔係我嘅，嗰支筆係我嘅。
呢個手錶好靚，係美國手錶。你估係邊個㗎？
我估係黃先生嘅。
我都估係佢嘅。我哋去問佢好唔好啊？
黃先生而家唔喺佢嘅寫字樓。
唔緊要，我遲啲問佢。
And now, at more normal speed.
一個手錶，一支筆。何先生，呢個手錶同埋支筆係咪你㗎？
呢個手錶唔係我嘅，嗰支筆係我嘅。
呢個手錶好靚，係美國手錶。你估係邊個㗎？
我估係黃先生嘅。
我都估係佢嘅。我哋去問佢好唔好啊？
黃先生而家唔喺佢嘅寫字樓。
唔緊要，我遲啲問佢。
And here is the vocabulary.
一個手錶，支筆，呢同埋嗰架估問而家喺唔緊要，遲啲。
Unit 2, Numbers. The numbers 1 to 10 need to be learnt by heart. 1,
一、
2,
二、
3,
三、
4,
四、
5,
五、
6,
六、
7,
七、
8,
八、
9,
九、
10,
十、
20,
二十、
30,
三十、
40,
四十、
50,
五十、
60,
六十、
70,
七十、
80,
八十、
90.
九十。
Unit 3, Family and Friends. Dialogue 1. Mr. Ho meets Mr. Wong on the street.
黃先生，你去邊處啊？
早晨，何先生，我返屋企。
你返屋企做乜嘢啊？
我帶我媽媽去睇醫生。
你同媽媽一齊住咩？
係，我同爸爸、媽媽、兄弟、姊妹7個人一齊住。
7個人一齊住，咁樣你哋間屋一定好大啦。
係，都幾大。對唔住，何先生，我要走啦。再見。
再見，黃先生。
Unit 3, Dialogue 2. Mr. Ho hasn't seen Mr. Jung for a long while. They meet by chance.
張先生，好耐冇見，你好嗎？ 你而家喺邊處住啊？
我而家住喺香港花園道28號3樓。
花園道好唔好住啊？
好住。花園道有好多巴士同的士搭。何先生，你住喺邊處啊？
我仲住喺咖啡街73號地下。你有時間請嚟坐啦。
你有心。你間屋有車房嗎？
我唔係住一間屋，我住一層樓啫。呢層樓唔係幾大，冇車房嘅。
好，有時間我嚟探你。再見。
再見。
Unit 3. Questions. Can you answer these without looking at the book?
何先生住喺邊處啊？
何先生住喺咖啡街。
張先生住喺邊處啊？
張先生住喺花園道。
何先生嘅樓有冇車房啊？
何先生嘅樓冇車房。
張先生想唔想探何先生啊？
張先生想探佢。
有冇巴士去花園道啊？
有好多巴士去花園道。
Unit 4. Eating in and eating out. Dialogue 1. Mr. Ho invites Mr. Wong to his home for a meal.
何先生，你太客氣啦，煮咁多餸請我食飯。
便飯啫，隨便食啦。要唔要茶啊？
唔要，唔該。何太太呢？佢喺邊處啊？
佢喺廚房煮緊飯，唔使等佢啦。
何太太煮嘅餸真好食啦，好似酒樓嘅一樣。何先生，你有冇幫佢手啊？
冇啊。
何太太一定用咗好多時間預備呢餐飯啦。
佢用咗半個鐘頭啫。
只係半個鐘頭啊？我唔信。
係真嘅，啲餸都係佢去附近嘅酒樓買嘅。
哦。
Unit 4. Dialogue 2. Mr. Ho tries to order a meal from a waiter.
伙計，我想要一個湯。你哋嘅湯新唔新鮮啊？
先生，你要個牛肉湯啦，好新鮮㗎。
好，我就要個牛肉湯。主菜有乜嘢好介紹啊？
龍蝦飯啦，好好味㗎。如果你要呢個飯，我哋送生果沙律俾你。
點解送生果沙律啊？
因為我哋嘅廚房昨日整咗太多，今日仲有唔少，所以就送俾你食啦。
你哋昨日整嘅生果沙律，今日俾我食，你識唔識做生意㗎？
先生，你唔好嬲。我再送今朝早整嘅甜品俾你，好嘛？仲係好好味㗎。
乜嘢話？昨日嘅生果沙律，今朝早嘅甜品，你當我係垃圾桶啊？
Unit 5. Shops and Markets. Dialogue 1. Miss Wong and Miss Chung are shopping in a fashion store.
今日係禮拜一， 唔係禮拜日。點解呢間鋪頭咁多人呢？
呢間鋪頭大減價啊嘛，我哋入去睇下，好嘛？
好啊！哇，你睇嗰件衫裙真係好平噃。
係噃，質地又好，款式又新，顏色又靚，真係好啦。
咁我就買呢件啦。
我都想買嗰件紅色嘅。
咦，呢處有少少爛咗噃。
係咩？哦，係噃。我呢件都有少少爛咗，等我睇下其他嘅有冇爛呢？
唔使睇啦，件件都有少少爛嘅，因為佢哋都係次貨，所以咁平。
Unit 5, Dialogue 2. Miss Jung gets a bargain, perhaps, from the fish seller in the market.
呢啲蝦幾多錢一斤啊
85蚊一斤。
呢啲蝦咁細，85蚊一斤太貴啦，70蚊一斤得唔得啊？
唔得，小姐，你睇，隻隻蝦都好新鮮，會游水，85蚊一斤，唔貴噶啦。
嗰處嘅檔口只係要72蚊一斤咋，點解你要85蚊一斤啊？
因為我哋係買一送一啊嘛。
點樣買一送一啊？
即係買一斤蝦，免費送一斤蝦啦。
好，我要1斤啦。嗱，呢樹85蚊。
多謝。嗱，呢樹2斤蝦。
點解咁多死蝦㗎？
買1斤游水蝦，送1斤死蝦啊嘛。
Unit 5. Just testing. Now that you've heard the dialogue, see if you can answer the following questions in Cantonese.
張小姐喺檔口想買乜嘢啊？
佢想買蝦。
啲蝦幾多錢一斤啊？
啲蝦85蚊一斤。
其他檔口嘅蝦幾多錢一斤啊？
其他檔口嘅蝦72蚊一斤啫。
張小姐買咗蝦，點解好嬲啊？
因為有死蝦。
Unit 6. Getting around. Dialogue 1. Mr. Wong is a stranger in town and asks a local person the way.
我要搭飛機返英國，請問去飛機場要搭幾多號巴士啊？
呢處冇巴士去飛機場噃，你要先由呢處搭小巴一直去，過3個街口到大馬路，喺巴士站你要落小巴，再轉搭15號巴士去飛機場啦。
咁有冇小輪去飛機場呢？
冇小輪去機場噃。
我好想搭地下鐵路，有冇地下鐵路去機場呢？
都冇噃，地鐵只去市區啫。
咁我去大會堂啦，有冇地鐵去啊？地鐵站喺邊處啊？
有，地鐵站喺嗰度，但係你話要搭飛機返英國，喺大會堂冇飛機場噃。
Unit 6. Testing again. If you're brave, you could attempt a fuller answer than just true or false.
黃先生要搭飛機返英國。
True.
黃先生要搭15號巴士去飛機場。
False.
有小輪去飛機場。
false.
都有地下鐵路去飛機場，
False.
但係冇地鐵去大會堂。
False. Unit 6, Dialogue 2. Mr. Wong visits Britain and is met by his friend, Mr. Chan.
老陳，我第一次嚟倫敦，請你話俾我聽，去邊處玩好呢？
等我帶你去玩啦。我哋搭火車先向北行，去參觀劍橋大學。
好啊，劍橋大學係世界最有名嘅大學之一。
參觀完之後，我哋搭巴士去英國東部睇下嗰處嘅鄉下。
好主意，我好鍾意去鄉下地方玩。
喺嗰處，我有一個好朋友，我哋可以喺佢屋企住一晚。第二日請佢揸車送我哋去英國南部嘅漁港睇下。
香港都有漁港，我去過好多次啦。
我哋由漁港再搭小輪去離島。
我唔想去離島啦，2日之內去咁多地方，又搭咁耐車，我話好似走難，唔似去玩咁。
Unit 8, Blowing hot and cold. Dialogue 1. A husband and wife agree about the temperature, but not about much else.
而家天氣漸漸冷啦，我好怕冷，我最鍾意曬太陽嘅。天文台話今日會落雨，呢個星期六仲會落雪添。
我已經準備咗啲冷天衫啦。
我想聽日買個電暖爐返嚟，你話好唔好啊？
唔好。
咁我要幾時買啊？
唔好買電暖爐啦，你買嘅嘢時時都唔實用嘅。
我唔同意，我買嘅嘢最實用㗎啦。
你要知道，買唔實用嘅嘢即係嘥錢。
你話我聽，我買咗乜嘢唔實用啊？
擠喺走廊牆角嗰個手提滅火筒，你舊年買嘅，1年之內都冇用過。你話係唔係唔實用啊？
Unit 8, Dialogue 2. Mr. Chan and Mr. Jung demonstrate how buying an air conditioner can lead to a conflict of stinginess.
張先生你好，去邊處啊？
我去買冷氣機。
係啊，天氣漸漸熱，買冷氣機係時候啦。
陳先生，你有乜嘢打算呢？
我冇錢買冷氣機，天氣太熱嘅時候，我會去海灘游水、飲啤酒、食雪糕，咁就唔熱啦。
但係如果打風就唔可以去海灘，落雨就唔可以去買雪糕，咁就點啊？冷氣機唔算好貴，但係好有用，你都唔買，真係慳啦。
我唔算慳啦，我話你太太仲慳啦。
佢點樣慳法啊？
呢個禮拜二，我喺百貨公司買游水褲嘅時候，見到你太太，佢好開心咁話我知，佢只係用咗一條你嘅舊領呔就可以改成一套比堅尼啦。你話佢慳唔慳呢？
Unit 9, Fun and Games. Dialogue 1. Mr. Chan finds out how his colleague Miss Jung spends her time off.
張小姐，昨日同前日都放假，你有冇去打波啊？
我唔鍾意打波嘅。
有冇去其他地方玩呢？
我都唔中意離開香港嘅，我只係中意睇電影啫。
我知道昨日喺大會堂有一出好有名嘅電影，你有冇去睇啊？
有啊，真係好好睇啊，而且仲好刺激添。
刺激？我唔覺得噃。你記唔記得嗰出電影嘅內容啊？
對唔住，我一啲都唔記得啦，因為我同男朋友一齊去睇㗎。
Unit 9, Dialogue 2. Mr. Wong and Mr. Chung discuss keeping fit, but Mr. Wong is not sure that the theories apply to his wife.
張先生，你話時時運動可以減少身體裏邊多餘嘅脂肪，對健康好好，係唔係啊？
係啊，我時時都行路、爬山同打波。你睇我已經50幾歲啦，仲係好健康，好似40歲咁上下。
但係我覺得運動對我太太一啲用都冇。
一定有用嘅，只要你太太時時運動，身體裏邊一定冇多餘脂肪嘅。
我太太成日講嘢，口部嘅肌肉有好多運動啦。點解佢仲有一個好多脂肪嘅雙下巴呢？
Unit 10, Healthcare for Beginners, Dialogue 1. Mr. Wong phones his family doctor to make an appointment. The nurse answers the phone.
喂，呢處係唔係張醫生嘅診所啊？
係啊，
我想睇醫生，唔該你幫我掛號啦。
你貴姓啊？有乜嘢唔舒服啊？
我係黃一港先生，我覺得有啲頭痛，間中有啲頭暈，仲有啲作嘔添。
你嘅病唔算好嚴重，我話你知，張醫生好忙。
咁我幾時可以睇醫生啊？
我估你要等3、4日先至可以見到張醫生噃。
乜嘢話？3、4日之後？我估嗰陣時我已經死咗啦。
唔緊要，嗰陣時請你太太打個電話嚟，我知取消掛號就得啦。
唔得，唔得，我唔想等啦，我而家就要去醫院啦。
Unit 10, Dialogue 2. Mr. Wong talks to his sick son, William.
威廉，你做乜嘢左搖右擺，跳高踎低啊？你唔舒服啊？
係啊，爸爸，我起身嗰陣時覺得個肚唔舒服，去完廁所之後都仲有啲痛，所以我就飲咗上個禮拜媽媽買返嚟嗰樽藥水啦。
而家點啊？個肚仲痛唔痛啊？
我啱啱飲咗藥水10分鐘啫，仲未知。
咁做乜嘢你要左搖右擺呢？
次次飲藥水之前，媽媽都要我搖勻啲藥水先，然後自飲。但係頭先飲藥水嗰陣時，我唔記得搖勻，所以而家左搖右擺，希望可以補返數啦。